Morning children, today we will see the multiplication of fractions. Okay, we will have three types. Simply you should know the three types. Okay, first one is we will be using the OF operator. OF operator means it is a product, that is you are going to multiply. Okay, say 1/3 of 4. Okay, 1/3 of 4. Okay, that means or 1/3 of 42. So what can I say? 1/3 is 1/3. Half is multiplication. I can say 42. It is 1/3 of 42. Okay, now what is the next one? Multiplication by a fraction and a whole number. Okay, like fraction I can say 1/4 into 5. 5 is a whole number. What can I do? I can simply multiply 1 into 5. 5 I can write as 5/1. Then this also become a fraction. So numerator into numerator, 1 into 5 divided by 4 into 1, which is equal to 5/4. Since this is a improper fraction, I can convert that into a mixed fraction as I divide 5/4. So 1 remainder 1. So 1/4 is the answer. Now the third type is fraction and that is into a fraction. Say 1/4 into 1/2. Now I can say I can multiply the numerators 1 into 1 divided by 4 into 2, which is equal to 1/8. So these are the 3 points which you should be remembering. If you find the word of, then you can go ahead with multiplication. Then if you find with a whole number, you can simply multiply and then you can reduce. Say then if it is a fraction into fraction, you can do it by multiplying the numerator separately and by denominator separately. Now you can take the examples of you can copy example 16, okay, and 17. Okay, how are they have done? See, Mardu, a milkman, has 4 bottles. Each is having 1.5 liters. So how much liter he will be having in all? Okay, so what is that? 1.5 into 4. Okay, so what is this? Completely combined into the mixed fraction. So we will convert into improper. 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3/2 into 4. So multiplying the numerator and the denominators, it is 3/4/2 into 1, which is 12/2, which is equal to 6. So that is what they have written as 6 liters. Now coming to the 17th one, man wants 3/4 kg of rice in 3 bags. Okay, so each bag should contain 1/3 of 3/4. So 1/3 of 3/4 is 1/3 of 3/4. That is 1/3 into 3 4s are 12 plus 4, 15/4. Multiply it, it is 15/12. I can reduce. Reduce means both of them are appearing in the 3 tables. So it is 5/4. Again, I have already shown you 5/4 is equal to 1/4. So this is the answer. See, 1/4. Coming to the 18th one, a man prepared 1.5 liters of juice from 1 kg. Okay, then how many liters can be prepared from 12 3/4 kgs? So this 12 3/4 into 1/2. So example 18. So it is 1/2 into 12 3/4. Both are mixed fractions. Convert them into improper fractions. 48 plus 3, 51 by 4. Multiply 3, 153 by 8. So divide 153 by 8. Ones are 8. So it is 93. 93. No, it is 73. 9s are 72. Remainder 1. So this is becoming 19. 1 by 8. So this is the number of kgs required. You can do these problems in the try these. This is your homework. Okay, I will do that first one. It is 35 into 3 by 7. I can multiply 35 into 3. 5, 5 3s are 15, 1, 9, 10. 105 by 7. 105 by 7 is 15 times. So this is 15. Then second one, value of 1 by 5 of 1 by 15. 1 by 5 of 15. So I can cancel this also. Okay, that is I can reduce this. So this is 3. Third one, 1 by 3 of 3 by 4. 1 by 3 into 3 by 4. This 3 get cancelled. It will be 1 by 4. Last one, you can do it as a homework. Now, we will see the exercise sums. Okay, we will see the exercise sums in fifth one. Okay, fifth one is exercise 1.1. Fifth one, first one, 2 by 3 into 6. So I can cross cancel it, or I can simply multiply. See, you better multiply first and then reduce. 12, it will be 4. Coming to the second one, 8 1 by 3 into 5. That is 8 is 24 plus 1, 25 by 3 into 5, which is equal to 5 5s are 25 to 10, 125 by 3. Okay, so you can convert this 125 divided by 3, 4s are 12, 0, 5, 1s are 5, 3, remainder 2. So 41, 2 by 3 is the answer. Coming to the third one, 3 by 8 into 4 by 5. I am multiplying 3 into 4, 12 divided by 8 into 5, 40. See, only for multiplication you can do like this. For addition and subtraction you have to do with the LCM only. You cannot simply add the numerator and subtract the numerators. Okay, only for multiplication I can do like this. So 12 by 40, both will go in 4 tables. It is 3 by 5. Okay, it is 3 by 10. 3 by 10. In 4 tables they both are going. So it is 3 by 10. So coming to the fourth problem. What is your fourth problem? 3 5 by 7 into 1 1 by 13. Both are in mixed fraction. I have to convert them. 7 3s are 21 plus 5. 21 plus 5 will become 26 by 7 plus 13 ones are into 13 ones are 13 plus 1, 14 by 13. Okay, so this is a heavy number to multiply. I can cross multiply, that is I can cancel this. 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26. That is only between a numerator and a denominator I can cancel. Okay, cancel means slightly you have to cancel and write that numerical value. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. 2 twos are 4. So this will be your answer. Okay, now coming to the division. What is this division? We are going to talk about division. Division means I have two fractions. Say 2 by 3 divided by 4 by 5. 2 by 3 divided by 4 by 5. What will I do? First I will write 2 by 3 as it is. Now I am going to change this sign into multiply. Now you will ask, why ma'am? We are doing one division. But why are you changing the sign to multiplication sign? Now what I am going to do? After doing this multiplication sign change, I will change this numerator to denominator, and this is called reciprocal. This is called reciprocal. That is, I am going to change the denominator here has become the numerator, and the numerator has become the denominator. Okay, so what is happening now? Can I do something on this? It is 2 5s are 10 divided by 12, or it is 5 by 6. I can reduce in the 2 tables. So division means nothing. I am going to multiply with the reciprocal of the second fraction. I am going to touch only the second fraction. I am not going to touch the first one. Okay, be sure on that. I am not going to touch the first one. First one I am writing as it is. நான் அதை டச்சே பண்ணல. அப்போ இந்த டிவிஷன் சைனை நான் மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் சைனை மாற்றிட்டேன். சரி, மாற்றினதுக்கப்புறம் வாட் ஷுட் ஐ டூ? அப்போ இதை தலைகீழாக மாற்றிருக்கோன்னு அர்த்தம். டிவிஷன் பண்ண வேண்டிய இடத்துல நான் என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்க போகிறேன்? மல்டிப்ளை. அப்போ தலைகீழாக மாற்றுறோம் அப்படின்றப்போ யூ ஹாவ் டு சேஞ்ச் த நியூமரேட்டர் ஆஸ் டினாமினேட்டர் அண்ட் டினாமினேட்டர் ஆஸ் த நியூமரேட்டர். இதுதான் தலைகீழாக போகிறது. அதான் 5 by 4 மாற்றி ஆஸ் யூஷுவல் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணினா போதும். ஸோ தட் இஸ் கால்ட் டிவிஷன். Okay, fraction division. Okay, now with that example we can go for exercises. Before that we'll go for the examples. Example number 19. In 19, what is happening? They are saying Kandan shares half piece of the cake between 2 persons. So half piece I have to divide for 2 people. So what is happening? I have to say I am keeping the same one. This is example 19. First fraction அப்படியே வச்சுக்கிட்டேன். செகண்ட் வந்து இந்த பாயிண்ட் மாற்றணும். இதை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணியாச்சு. 2னா if it is a very whole number you can write 2 by 1 as the fraction. 2 இருந்தால் 2 by 1 தான் அதனோட fraction. ஸோ அப்போ அதனோட ரெசிப்ரோக்கல் என்னவா இருக்கும்? 1 by 2 will be the reciprocal. So I will multiply by 1 by 2. அப்போ each will get 1 by 4 of the cake. Okay, now we will divide example 20. That is, divide 4 and a half divided by 3 and a half. Both are fractions. Convert them into improper fractions. So this is 9 by 2 divided by 7 by 2. What can I do? First of all, 7 by 2, this division is becoming multiplication. The reciprocal is 2 by 7. This 2 will get cancelled, so that will become 9 by 7 is the answer. Coming to example 21. 21 is oil tin is having 7.5 liters of oil. It is poured in 2.5 liters bottle. So I have totally 7.5 liters. I have to divide that equally into 2.5 liter bottle. Okay. So what is happening? I have to first convert the mixed fraction to improper fraction. 2 7s are 14 plus 1, 15 by 2. This division multiplication. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. So what can I do? I will just multiply 75 by 4. So I have to convert this into improper fraction, because 75 ones are 4, that is 35. So 9s are 36, so 8s are 32, remainder 3. So I can say 18 3 by 4. Okay, so 18 3 by 4. Sorry, I have made a mistake here. This is still division. Okay, this is still division only. So 15 by 2 divided by 5 by 2. Now I will convert this into the reciprocal, that is 2 by 5. This will get cancelled. This will become 3 times. So you will be wanting 3 bottles. I made a mistake. I did not wait till I have converted to mixed fraction. From the mixed I converted to improper, but I made a mistake here. This is still in the division only. Okay. Now coming to the example 22. Example 22. Here I have a rod of length 6 centimeter. I am going to divide it into 6 divided by 1 by 2 meter. So what is that? 6 divided by 3 by 2. That is 6 by 1 into 2 by 3. So what is happening? 12 by 3. 12 by 3, which is equal to 4 rods. Okay. Now with this input we are going to do the exercise sums. Okay. First one we have left out this 14th one. Exercise 1.1. In 1 I have left out the 4th one. What is that? 8 divided by 1 by 2. So what is this? 8 division is multiplication, that is 2 by 1. 8 2s are 16. So the answer is 16. Next one, the number which has its own reciprocal. Has its own reciprocal. Reciprocal will be 1 only. 1 oda reciprocal 1 தான். So அதே நம்பர் தான் திருப்பி வருது. அதுதான் மீனிங். Has its own reciprocal. அதனால it is 1. Okay. Coming to the second one la fourth one பாருங்க. Reciprocal of an improper fraction. ஒரு improper fraction எடுத்துக்கோங்க. இப்போ improper fraction 3 by 2. improper தானே? அதைய reciprocal பண்ணனா என்னவாகும்? 2 by 3. 2 by 3 என்னவாச்சு? Proper fraction ஆயிப்போச்சா? So it is always true தான். So answer will be true. Okay. Fifth one பாருங்க. Work it out and then decide what is the answer. 3 1 by 4 into 3 1 by 4. So first convert them into mixed fractions to improper fraction. 12 plus 1 13 by 4 into 13 by 4. So what is this? 13 into 13, you will have one big number, and 4 into 4 you will be having the denominator as 16. 13 13s are 169. Okay, 13 into 13 you will get 169. If you divide that, so the remainder is 9. So this is 10, 9 by 16. So this is not the answer we are given there, so you are right, false. Okay, now coming to the sixth one, divide the following. Sixth one is the divide the following. First one, 3 by 7 divided by 4. So first 3 by 7 I write it like this. Division multiply sign பண்ணுங்க. 4 oda reciprocal 1 by 4. Multiply பண்ணனா 3 by 28. இதில் எந்த சேஞ்சும் கிடையாது. ஓகேவா? Now coming to the second one. 4 by 3 divided by 5 by 9. இப்போ 4 by 3 அப்படியே எழுதுங்க. டிவிஷனை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுங்க. இதனோட ரெசிப்ரோக்கல். இது 1 times, இது 3 times. அப்புறம் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுங்க. 4 into 3 divided by 1 into it is 12 by 5. 12 by 5 na 12 by 5 ஆல divide பண்ணா 2s are 10, 2. So 2 by 5 the answer. கையோட improper fraction இருந்ததுன்னா mixed fraction மாத்திரணும். இல்லைன்னா ஆன்சருக்கு மார்க்கு கிடையாது. 4 1 by 5 divided by 3 3 by 4. ஓகேவா? Now convert this. 21 by 5 divided by 12 plus 3 15 by 4. இப்ப convert 21 by 5 into convert, that is reciprocal. So 4 by 15. So 21 15 will go in 3 tables. This is 7 times, this is 5 times. So this is 28 by 25. For 25 1 times 25, remaining 3 by 25. Okay, wow. Okay, now coming to the fourth one. Fourth one is 9 2 by 3 divided by 1 2 by 3. 9 2 by 3 na 9 3s are 27 plus 2, it is 29 by 3 divided by 3 plus 1, 3 plus 2 5 by 3, that is 29 by 3 into 3 by 5. This 3 will get cancelled. You will be getting with 29 by 5. Divide this 29 by 5. 5 5s are 25, remainder 4. So it is 5 4 by 5 will be the answer. Okay.